I'm here in the Hala Auditorium bus stop. Then I will ride a bus 740. I will stop at the Orimo. So I just waited for the bus coming. I don't know, it's already 40. Maybe it's coming soon. Hope so. Hey guys. No bullshit. No bus coming. So wait this.